There's so many features packed into this dryer, but the main one that we really need to talk about is the ergonomic factor, which is one of the main principles of our company. First and foremost, this dryer weighs less than a pound. So all that stress that you're putting on your shoulders and your body every day by holding a heavy blow dryer way up here is lost because of the light weight of our dryer. Now don't take lightweight and compact to mean weak. This is an incredibly powerful blow dryer that most stylists find has plenty of heat, plenty of airflow for all of their daily needs. Also, don't mistake lightweight with fragile. This thing can take a beating. I've seen Sam repeatedly drop this on stage and it's never come apart. The engine has never stopped working and the back never comes flying off. And guys, we travel so many days a year. If the airlines can't bust up our blow dryer, we think it's gonna work pretty well for you behind the chair. Two ways that we can get away with such a lightweight and small package that still packs such a punch is one, through a thing called turbo compressor technology, which takes the airflow from the smaller motor and compresses it into something that feels much, much more powerful. Two is the ionic technology. The negative ionic generator helps with dispersing the water out of the hair and polishing the cuticle, which gives you really beautiful results much faster than a non-ionic blow dryer. So if you're looking for a new blow dryer and you're tired of holding something super heavy way out here past the head, check out the Samvia Lite Professional Ionic Blow Dryer. We know you're gonna love it. It's one of our favorite tools. Thanks for watching, and if you have any further questions, please reach out.
A dryer and a diffuser duo created to give frizz-free texture to all curl kinds. It gives curls more shine and less frizz without excess heat. Perfectly dries curls without damaging them. 3 temperature settings and cool shut down button for drying versatility. Yeah! And it comes with the hand. Well, I mean diffuser. That allows 360-degree airflow to surround your curls, getting all the way to the root, which conventional dryers cannot do. So how you're going to use this is you're going to tilt your head to the side and you're going to go to the root and you're going to let it dry like that. And when you do it, just remember to be patient. So this is drying the root first, which is great because it's going to give you less frizz. you want to make sure that you do it one section at a time and to be patient, okay? To have frizz-free hair, you gotta have patience. And then if you want more, you're gonna lift and scrunch towards your scalp. So if you want even more volume, you're gonna tilt your head to the side, put the hand at the roots, and lift upward. So then when you dry, it's gonna create more volume.
After you've finished drying each section, I like to use the Cool Shot button located right here and just give it a nice blast of cool air so that it can set your curls. That'll just keep your curls from frizzing and keeping them right in place.
Now, if you're looking to target one area to dry quickly, you're going to want to put the heat on its highest setting and the airflow on its lowest setting. Use this nozzle, and you're just going to want to target it on that section of hair and angle this downward so that you don't have any flyaways created.
This is great. I mean, why wouldn't you want to have this in your house? It's like you're on a Texas range, you're like, dun, dun. And it's pretty.